Hello everyone. So in this video we want to discuss some of the widget options we have available for the Rebecca template. Now first of all, before we dive into the details, we do recommend that you go over to our documentation link in the video description below and visit the Rebecca documentation page. So what this page will look like. Simply click on read more and you'll be taken to the following page with all of this information. So first of all, we do recommend that you look into the widget area, and this will give you an understanding of how the widgets are laid out and which widgets correspond to what areas within the front end of the website. And once again, this will just give you a better understanding of where to add certain details and where to look for them. Next off, we also recommend that you take a quick look into the Rebecca demo home pages to see how these widgets or how the home pages are set up, and this will give you an introduction of what the content looks like and how it's broken down. So essentially, we have three widgets that we need to look at, and the first widget is the Flow Images widget. Let me just drag and drop this here into the footer first area. And essentially, if we go over to our demo version, you'll see that we have the following widget area, and this is a Flow Images widget as well. So what we'll do is just add the title here. So this will be title, and for the image description, we'll add investment and details. And then here we'll be able to select the text color. We'll go ahead with black. All right, and we'll go ahead and click on save. We'll go here to our home page. We'll refresh this, and you'll see that we have the following widget appear over here. You can also add a link to the following areas. So let me just go ahead and copy our Zendesk link, paste it here. We'll click on save, and once again refresh our home page, and you'll see that now we can click on investment in details and it will redirect us to our documentation. So technically you can link this area into several areas. Now as you see here, we have the footer broken down into three areas, and I added the following Flow Images link into footer first. We also have another text widget, which is pretty much text only. So we'll add the title, once again, things that matter, and then we'll go ahead and add some random text, just like that. We'll click on save. We'll go here and refresh the following page, and you'll see that they look very similar, though the font is slightly different over here, and we see that we have this little line that separates the title from the text is also lighter over here as well. And then we also do not have the ability to add a link into the following area. So we also recommend to use the text widget for longer areas of text. So we'll go ahead and add this into the full width area number 1. And what we'll do is just simply head on over to our pages area, and we'll click on add new to create a new page. And let me just go ahead and get some longer dummy text. So we'll copy the following text, we'll go over here, paste the text. Now what I want to do is just switch over to visual mode. I will select the following text, and I can simply click on incline, then switch over to text mode, copy this, and go over here and simply paste it just like that. I'll then click on save, and let's go back to our home page. We'll refresh this, and you'll see that our text has been added. So technically, you can centerline this text, you can play around with it within the pages area, and pretty much add bullet points, etc., and then incorporate that into this area over here. All right, and finally, the other widget that we are using is the social widget. So we'll take this Rebecca widget and we'll grab it into footer third. And we'll write connect with us. We'll click on save. We'll go here, refresh the following page, and you'll see that we have connect with us along with all of our social media links. So this is pretty much it in terms of how to manage the following areas and how to manage these widgets. We do hope this video helps, but we do recommend that you take a quick look through our written documentation to have a better and in-depth understanding of how these widgets function and how they correspond over the front end.